what's up? It's Morgan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about how I got my first YouTube paycheck and how much it is. I will also be explaining to you guys how to set up your Google AdSense account, how to make money on YouTube, and pretty much just how to have a successful channel in 2020. But before we jump into the video, it means so much to me if you guys hit that subscribe button wherever it is on your screen. And if you want to learn all about Google AdSense and how to make money on YouTube, then just keep watching. Okay, so I do want to make this video just pretty much to the point and simple for you guys. I don't want to drag it on super long or anything like that. So I did write out a bunch of notes because I didn't want to forget anything. So if you see me looking down, this is what I'm looking at. I will be explaining more about how much I made and everything like that towards the end of the video. I just wanted to start off more on how to set up your Google AdSense account, like what is Google AdSense, all that basic stuff. Okay, so Google AdSense is pretty much how you get paid on YouTube. It is what runs the ads on your YouTube videos. You do not have to make your account right away, but you do have to make it before you want to get paid. So I would honestly suggest just doing it right from the beginning, getting it out the way. That way you can go ahead and have it already set up for when you do start making money. Now, in order to make money on YouTube, you do have to meet certain requirements, and that is you have to have 4,000 watch hours, which means 4,000 hours of people watching your videos, and you also have to have 1,000 subscribers. So once you meet these requirements, you will be able to apply to be in the YPP, which is the YouTube Partner Program. Basically, getting into the YouTube Partner Program means that you can monetize your videos, so you can put ads on them and start making money. So once you apply for the YouTube Partner Program, what they're gonna do is they will review your channel. They'll make sure that you have good videos, thumbnails, that you are a channel that they would want to put ads on and basically pay. Now, this process could take up to 30 days once you do apply, but mine honestly took maybe like 3 days after I applied. They were really fast with it. I've also heard of other people who have said it's only taken like a couple days, but it can take up to 30 days to get approved. So then once you're approved, you basically can start putting ads on your videos and start making money. So you will need to make sure that you turn your monetization on in your settings, and you can pick wherever you want your ads to be, how many ads you want on your videos. You can also pick which type of ads that you want on your videos as well. Once you start collecting money from your videos, you have to have a minimum of $100 in your account to be able to get paid. So let's say you make only $99.99. You cannot get that money until the next month. Now, that money won't like go away or anything. It just will roll over to the next month, and then whatever money you made that month will be added onto that. But you have to have a minimum of $100 or else you will not get the money for that month. It's really easy. You can just set up your bank account right in your Google AdSense account. Now, when you do set up your bank account, this part actually was the hardest part for me because for some reason it wouldn't let me connect my bank account for like 2 weeks. I do not know why, but eventually it worked. So I kind of just kept trying over and over again, and then one day it worked. So I do not know what was going on with that. So once you set up your bank account, it will give you an option to either deposit like 30 cents into your account, and you will come back and input whatever number they deposited into your account. So let's say they deposit 37 cents, you'll go in back into your account and then put that, oh, you received 37 cents. Then you can start getting deposits after that. Or you can do what I did, which is the faster option, where they just have a security code sent through your bank and it'll go right to your phone, and then you just input the security code right into Google AdSense that same day, and you can start getting your payments right away. So YouTube pays you on the 21st of every month, and on the 15th of the month, that's when Google AdSense will put all your money that you made into your Google AdSense account, and so you can see what you made for that previous month. And then on the 21st is when you'll get that money direct deposited into your account. Something that I do highly suggest is downloading the YouTube Studio app. So this app is really helpful because you can keep track of your subscribers, you can keep track of your estimated revenue that you're making for the month. You can also look at the previous 3 months, like 90 days, 120 days, whatever length that you'd want to see, but it'll always just show you for the previous 28 days. Now, the app does take 24 hours to update, so if you're looking at it on the first day, you're probably not going to see anything. until probably the next day or the next day. So yeah, I do highly suggest downloading that app. That way you can just keep track of how much money you're making for the month. So once you're able to do all that, you will also have to fill out a tax form, set up your address and all your information into your account. That way you can start getting paid as well. You won't be able to get paid unless you set all that up. And then once you do that, you are good to go. You can start making money off your videos, monetize videos, and do all that fun stuff. It's actually super easy. It can be kind of a process, but it's not that bad, honestly. It's just simple steps. But yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make money on your YouTube videos. It's really simple. I did want to share with you guys what my first YouTube paycheck was. Okay, so when you get your direct deposit in your bank account, all it's going to say on there is Google AdSense and then whatever your YouTube name is, and then it'll show the amount that you have. My first YouTube paycheck was $142.06. I mean, some people might think that's a low number, or you're probably expecting thousands of dollars, but no, it does take a lot of time to build up revenue in your account. And I will say the main thing about YouTube is just be consistent, put out good quality videos, and just be yourself, and also be patient, because I feel like some people expect this to just happen overnight or within a couple months, and it could take years. There are some people who just happen to blow up within a couple of months and get a ton of subscribers. Some people, it literally takes years. I've been doing YouTube for a couple years now, so this has been just a big goal of mine, and I'm just excited to see what the future holds. Yeah, just be patient with it, but also just enjoy making videos, enjoy having your channel and putting out videos that you want on your channel, because at the end of the day, this is your channel. You want it to be all about you, who you are. Honestly, that's the biggest tip I received from other YouTubers that I've seen. That's really the biggest tip that I can give you guys as well. If you feel like you want to start a YouTube channel, just do it. Don't waste any time watching other people make YouTube channels. Just go out and make your own channel. Don't be scared of who's going to watch your videos, or you know, people commenting bad things on your videos. Who cares? This is your channel. This is what you want to do. Then go out, make your channel, make fun videos, just have fun with it. That's all it is at the end of the day. It's something fun to do. It's something that if you have a passion about, then why not do it? If you do have any other comments, please feel free to comment them below. I would love to answer them for you guys. Also, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys later. Bye!